Market Wrap with your host, Richard Parker. End of July, and what a great month it was for the sales team. We returned to our numbers, in actual fact having a really solid month, roughly 25 or 26 deals for the month, which is promising considering around the election period it was quite quiet, so we've seen a good increase in numbers. What we're finding is properties are selling quite quickly here on the north side. There's about a 25% decrease in the amount of overall stock. So that's great news if you're a seller, because obviously with the lack of supply, properties are selling quite quickly and we're getting some really good pricing. Hopefully that'll continue to trend into the spring market. From a rental side of things, we brought on a really healthy amount of rental properties as well. They seem to be renting within 14 to 21 days if they're priced accordingly, so still not a bad time to be renting your properties out. So that's quite promising. We have had news that the RBA Governor was obviously chatting about a couple more rate decreases coming up. That'll take our official cash rate down to 0.5%. Although we're not too sure if the banks are going to pass that on, so stay tuned. We'll have to keep a close eye on that. I know they have some measures where some banks will be passing it on and others won't. All in all though, the market is going quite well. Hopefully that is good news for the spring market. A lot of good news in Brisbane at the moment. So if you're plugging into the traditional media, they're talking about a potential 20% increase over the next coming years. So hopefully that's true, but either way, it's definitely instilling a bit of confidence. We're noticing that the buyers are obviously tuned into that because for the first time, probably this year, that we're noticing a lot of offers coming through, multiple offers, which is great. So all pretty positive, great July month. Looks like August is going to be great. The main focus I think for us is just getting listings on so we have enough for all the buyers coming through wanting to buy property in Brisbane.